Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best log lighter is probably one of the most convenient tools for anyone who enjoys a cozy fire. This device simplifies the fire starting process, eliminating the need for kindling and messy fire starters. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and ease of use of the log lighter, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your fireplace or fire pit. Number 5. Midwest Hearth Gas Log Lighter for Wood Fireplaces. This gas log lighter can be easily converted for either a straight or 90-degree angled installation. It offers flexible installation options to suit your fireplace setup. The shutter attached to the air gas mixing chamber allows you to adjust the flame. You can change it from golden radiant to hot blue for a hotter fire. This product is built with sturdy construction, ensuring years of reliable service. You can count on it for consistent performance. This device is intended only for starting a wood fire. It is not meant to be used as a decorative gas appliance or as a space heater. This gas log lighter is clean and efficient. It can reduce emissions from wood-burning fireplaces by 50%, making your fireplace experience better. What we like. This log lighter features an adjustable air-fuel mixer, allowing you to control the flame for optimal fire starting. Its sturdy construction ensures years of reliable service. If you are looking for an efficient and durable solution to reduce emissions from your wood-burning fireplace, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect fit. Works great. Exactly what we needed. Installed with no issues. Works well, just as described. Number 4. Midwest Hearth Propane Log Lighter Kit. This combo kit comes with everything you need. It includes a 1/4-turn straight ball valve, a universal log lighter, 3 chrome keys, and a chrome floor plate. It's a complete solution for your fireplace. The 19.5-inch log lighter is incredibly versatile. It can be easily adapted from a 90-degree angled installation to a straight one with the included plug. This flexibility makes it suitable for various fireplace setups. The design incorporates an air gas mixing chamber. This feature allows for energy-conserving operation, helping you get the most out of your propane. It's designed to be both effective and efficient. The chrome-plated die-cast key and floor plate add a touch of elegance. These components enhance the overall look of your fireplace installation. It's a stylish addition to any hearth. The gas valve is CSA 9.1 certified, meeting ANSI Z21.15 standards. This certification ensures the valve's safety and reliability. You can be confident in its performance. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including a valve, key, and floor plate. The universal design allows for easy installation. If you are looking for a convenient and stylish upgrade for your fireplace, you should consider this. What people say. Product worked as designed with no issues. Works great, I haven't had a problem with it yet. Number 3. EasyFirePits 12 Stainless Steel Gas Log Lighter. Introducing the EasyFirePits Gas Log Lighter. This is a 12-inch stainless steel burner designed for easy fireplace replacement. It's a reliable solution for your fireplace needs. This gas log lighter comes with a lifetime warranty. You can rest assured that it's built to last. It's a durable and dependable choice for your home. Made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel, it's built to withstand the elements. The straight end-fed design ensures efficient gas flow. This ensures it will last for years. The straight end-fed design ensures efficient gas flow. This feature makes it easy to install and operate. It provides a consistent and reliable flame. This burner is designed for easy fireplace replacement. It's a simple upgrade that will enhance your fireplace experience. It's a great addition to any home. What we like. This log lighter is constructed from marine-grade 316 stainless steel for superior durability. Its straight end-fed design makes it easy to install. If you are looking for a long-lasting, high-quality burner, you should consider this. What people say. Very solid, well-made log lighter. Fit the 1/2 NPT gas pipe I had coming into the firebox perfectly. Lit it up and it worked just fine. Number 2. EasyFirePits 36-inch stainless steel fireplace log lighter. This log lighter from EasyFirePits comes with a lifetime warranty. It's made from 316 stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity for your outdoor fire feature. Unlike other log lighters, this one is constructed from marine-grade 316 stainless steel. This high-quality material ensures it can withstand the elements and last for years. Visit our online catalog for diagrams, gas tips, and customer photos. You'll find everything you need to create your perfect outdoor gas fire feature. See what other customers have created with this log lighter. It's a great way to get ideas and inspiration for your own project. Have questions or need help? Contact us via phone or email. We're here to assist you in creating your dream outdoor gas fire feature. This log lighter is your DIY source for creating any outdoor gas fire feature. It's easy to install and use, making it perfect for any homeowner. What we like. This log lighter is made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel and comes with a lifetime warranty. The company offers diagrams, tips, and customer support. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking to create a custom outdoor gas fire feature, you should consider this. What people say. The log lighter is a great product. It is easy to use and lights the fire quickly. The design is very effective. Number 1. Cast iron gas log lighter, 14-inch. This is a 14-inch cast iron gas log lighter. It's designed to make starting your fireplace easy and efficient. This product is made in the USA. The gas log lighter is 14 inches long, providing ample reach. It's constructed from durable cast iron, ensuring longevity and reliability. The gas log lighter is made of cast iron, which is known for its durability and heat resistance. This ensures that it can withstand the high temperatures of a fireplace. This gas log lighter is specifically designed for use with natural gas. Make sure your fireplace uses natural gas before installing this product. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this gas log lighter. What we like. This log lighter is proudly made in the USA from durable cast iron. It is specifically designed for natural gas fireplaces. If you like supporting American-made products and have a natural gas fireplace, you should consider this. What people say. Very well made and gas exits each hole on a very even basis. The support legs are a great idea, as is having the gas holes under the top ledge, as ash doesn't fill the holes. Solid, works great, and angle prevents ash clogs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.